Research indicate a significant portion of professionals are considering new job opportunity in 2025. A recent survey by Nectar HR reveals that 46% of employees plan to look for a new job within next 3 months. Meanwhile, the World Economic Forum's Future of Report 2025 highlighting major job market shift, predicting automation will displace 92 million jobs by 2030, but create 170 million new jobs alone, leading to a net gain of 78 million jobs globally. Hi everyone, I'm Shalandri Yadav, your interview coach, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will share top job portals for both freshers and experienced candidates, and a powerful method to find companies that are actively hiring globally. So make sure you stick around until the end. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you are notified every time a new video is live. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up to the video if you like my content. Now, without any further delay, let's get straight into the lesson. Number 1 job portal in the list is LinkedIn Job. LinkedIn offers more than just job listing. It blends traditional job searching with professional networking. Here is how it works. You can search and apply for jobs directly on LinkedIn using filters like date posted, experience level, salary, company, or you can simply type title, skill, or company here and location, and click on search. You will find ample of jobs related to your search. For example, I have taken this HR manager position for the search and I got this result as you can see on the screen. But this easy apply feature simplifies the application process. At the same time, LinkedIn allows you to connect with professionals, recruiters, and industry leaders, helping you build relationships that can lead to job opportunities. Your LinkedIn profile acts as an online resume showcasing your skills, endorsement, and achievements, which recruiters can discover even if you have not applied directly. By sharing posts, engaging with content, and participating in discussions, you can increase your visibility to potential employers. In short, we can say LinkedIn combines the power of job applications with the benefit of professional networking, making it easier to find opportunities through the both direct application and connections. Number 2 job portal in the list is Indeed. Indeed is a job search engine that collects or aggregate job listings from company websites, recruitment agencies, and other job boards worldwide, making it one of the largest global job portals. Instead of checking multiple sites, job seekers can find a wide variety of opportunities in one place. Here is how candidates can find jobs over Indeed. To start using Indeed, create a free account and build a job profile by uploading an application tracking system, that is ATS friendly resume, and complete your profile with your qualification, job preferences, and manage details according to your requirement. Next, go to the home page by clicking here and search for job using relevant keywords. Like for example, I have taken data analyst or graphic designer or any other job which you want to specify a location and click on search. You can also add other filters according to your need, like here you can see on the screen. You can go for remote work, date posted, pay, exact location, and other. You can see over here. Apply filters to narrow down results based on salary range, experience level, company, and job type. Apply directly using Apply Now or follow external link to company website when required. Research potential employers by reviewing company profiles, salary data, and employee experiences to better understand workplace culture and compensation. Track your application through Indeed, which also show if recruiters have viewed your resume. To increase visibility, optimize your profile and resume with relevant keywords. as recruiters actively search for candidates on the platform. In short, we can say Indeed simplifies the job hunt by gathering and listing from across the web and offering easy application tool which also provide company insight to help you making informed decisions. Number 3 job portal in the list is Glassdoor. Glassdoor is not just a job search platform. It's also a research tool. It provides access to employees to write company reviews about the culture management, work-life balance by filling details like name, job title, location, and the next. It also provides access to salary insight for different roles and companies and also provide access to interview questions and benefit and experiences shared by different candidates. This helps job seekers to find opportunities while gaining deeper insight into company's culture, pay and hiring processes before applying. Here is how to find job on the Glassdoor. First, start by creating an account and building a strong profile including your resume, demographics, skills and job preferences. Use the job search features with relevant keywords. For example, I have taken for the marketing manager profile and specify your desired location or select remote if applicable. Apply filter like salary range, company rating and date posted, job type, distance, cities, industries, companies and other to narrow down result. Remember, before applying the research companies by reading employee reviews about the culture management and work-life balance, checking salary data and reviewing common interview questions. When applying, use the Apply Now button for quick applications for or follow internal links to company website. Tailor your resume and cover letter to include keywords from the job description and reflect the company's value. Set up job alerts to get the notified of new posting that match your preferences. Optionally, contribute review about your own work or interview experiences to boost your profile visibility on the platform. In short, we can say Glassdoor combines job search tool with insider information on company's culture, salary and interview processes, empowering you to apply smartly and negotiate confidently. Number 4 job portal in the list is Monster. Monster is one of the oldest but most recognized global search platform, offering not only job listing but also career resources like resume critics, interview tips and salary advice. It connects job seekers with employers worldwide while providing guidance to help improve their chances of landing a job. Here is how to find a job on Monster. To find a job on Monster, start by creating a free account and building a detailed profile, uploading your resume or using Monster resume builders to craft an optimized CV. Add your skills, certifications and job preferences including desired role, industries and locations. Use the job search bar with relevant keywords like for example, I have taken software engineer or digital marketing specialist and apply filters such as location. Candidates upload their resume directly from here. When applying, use the Apply Now features to submit your resume directly through Monster or follow instructions for external applications. Take advantage of Monster career advice and tools including resume writing tips, cover letter guides, interview preparation resources, resume critic services, and salary tools to understand market rules. Finally, engage with recruiters by keeping your profile updated and making yourself as open to work to boost your visibility. In short, Monster not only helps you find global job opportunities but also equips you with the right tools and advice to optimize your applications, prepare for interviews, and advance your career. Number 5 job portal in the list is Google for Job. Google for Job is a job search feature built directly into Google's search engine. It aggregates job listings from multiple sources like LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, company website, and more, providing a centralized place for job seekers to view posting without visiting each individual platform. It's not a separate website. You access it by simply using Google search. To find a job using Google, start by typing job-related keywords like marketing job near me. Into the search bar, you have to search for this. Google will display a special job box at the top. Click it to open the Google for job. Use filters to narrow your search by job type like full-time, part-time, contract. And you can also search for the location, specific cities or remote. Date posted, company and salary range if available. Click on any job to view details such as responsibilities, qualifications, salary if provided, and company information with listing pulled from sources like LinkedIn or Glassdoor. To apply, click the apply button to be redirected to the original job board or company site to submit your application. You can also set up job alert by toggling turn on alerts for this search to get email updates when new job matching your criteria are posted. Lastly, optimize your resume and cover letter with relevant keywords from job description and tailor each application to improve visibility in employer search system. In short, Google for Job simplifies the job search process by pulling listings from multiple platforms into one place, allowing you to search, filter, and apply for job directly through Google search. No separate account required for this. So this is for all today. I have discussed these 5 important job search portals you need to search job in 2025. Thank you so much. Keep watching and learning.